Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Let me share with you how I help my traders to bank amazing profit through a live intraday analysis in real time and with a live audio commentary support. Today is the 10th of November, Wednesday 2021. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how we bank amazing profit today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move straight to the three major currency pair, EURUSD and pound dollar and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD, and if you look at the 4-hour, as I mentioned my yesterday analysis review, if you haven't seen the video, link is given in the video description, that we were looking this breakout. And today you can see here price nicely broken. And after the breakout, we were looking a pullback. So we had such a beautiful short trade here. Explain to my trader, just keep taking up pullbacks in intraday. We had an amazing trade on EURUSD. Let me share with you how I analyze this part of it and help my traders to bank amazing profit. If you look at the intraday analysis, and we had such amazing trades, guys. Okay, so this is the analysis in London morning session. We already had this breakout, as I mentioned, in 4-hour. Let me make it slightly here, as I was expecting this breakout. So we already had this breakout in London morning session, and after the breakout, explain to my trader, if we see any pullback, we'll consider high probability trade. We had a beautiful pullback. London morning session, first target nicely hit, as you can see, explained to my trader, bank some profit. And at the New York session, after the news releases, we explained to my trader, price developer downside channel pattern, price also broken here. We have some very strong bullish bearish candle. Let's see here if the price is going to respect, which technically you can see here price nicely came back and retest and then short. And that's what I explained to my trader, if the price is going to respect this level, then first priority would be the pullback, or if the price is going to break and retest and long. As you can see here, price nicely respected at this level, and the safest trade for us, you can see here after the breakout pullback, that's give us the confirmation. Then I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. You can see here previous low is broken, confirmation, another pullback, another pullback. You can see here we had such an amazing trade, price broken all these previous lows on 4-hour, and we, as soon as the price hit to the major resistance support level, explain to my trader, it's time to enjoying profit. So you can see here beautiful short trade on EURUSD and pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar, beautiful trade. As I mentioned in my yesterday analysis review, that the price nicely respected this level. We have this false breakout, we have this bearish engulfing candle pattern, so more likely we're expecting continuation, and it's the safest trade for us if the price is going to break the previous low. And that's what we explained to my trader, keep taking a pullback short trade here. So we had such an amazing trade both on pound dollar and the EURUSD. Let me share with you guys how I analyze this an intraday, which basically helping refine entries and exit to help my traders to bank some profit. Okay, so if you look at here, this is the London morning session analysis. As you can see here, price nicely, as you can see here, the price nicely reverse and explain to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see in 4-hour, that's the breakout in intraday. As you can see here, price nicely broken. That's the, as soon as the price broken the previous low, as you can see here, the price broken the previous high but could not maintain this level, and that will be our bias was developer short here. At this stage we have a breakout. As always, after the breakout, as you can see, we have another beautiful pullback based on the momentum. So this is the trade we had it at the London morning session, bank beautiful pips. And after the news releases, high impact news releases for the dollar, and after at the New York session, as you can see here, price nicely, this is the news reaction, and explain to my trader, if the price is going to, because if you look at here, price develop W sign, which is, this is the high, and as explained to my trader, if the price is going to respect, then we expecting a long, otherwise break. Safest trade would be, and explain to my trader, look for this symmetric triangle pattern. because it's not just about just broadcasting the analysis. We also watch those analyses and update through live audio commentary as soon as the price progress according to the analysis. So as soon as this one explained to my trader, momentum is developed bearish, so probably, and if you look at in 4 hour, we had such a beautiful rejection, price broken, as you can see here, price rejected, and we have this breakout. Explained to my trader guy, just keep taking a pullback, and the target would be the previous low on 4 hour. So we had this breakout and this pullback and this pullback. Based on the momentum, we had an amazing trade, beautiful. As you can see how we analyze market in 4 hour and refine entries and exit in intraday and bank amazing profit every single day. Dollar CAD, we had a quite interesting trades. As you can see in 4 hour, technically this was the bull flag pattern, and I was surprised at how the price rejected here. But anyhow, we had this rejection. We had yesterday long and short, and today we had a short too, and we also had a long. And let me explain to you from this movement, all these big moves, how we analyze an intraday to refine an entries and exit, and all this intraday analysis are 100% based on technical analysis. Okay, so let me share with you the analysis. We had a quite amazing trade. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, watch that analysis. As I mentioned about this analysis, we had this breakout, and I also mentioned you yesterday analysis, that review, that we are looking a pullback at this level. Right, so we had this breakout yesterday, we have another pullback, bank beautiful pips, momentum was developed bearish. So afterwards I did another analysis instantly, as you can see here in London morning session. So look for another pullback. So what happened here after this breakout, we have another beautiful pullback. So bank beautiful pips. As soon as we bank some beautiful pips, then explain to my trader, let's wait for the New York session. And as you can see here in the New York session, this is the news reaction, and that's, let me make it slightly bigger and explain to you in more detail. So you can see here, this is the analysis we had it, and explain to my trader, we had this technically the price should respect here, price did not respect it here. So at this level we had the previous breakout. This is the news reactions. Explain to my trader, we look pull back, or if the price is going to break the previous low, we're going to take a short trade here, which is basically, you can see in 4 hours, that's the level. So price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit to the 100 EMA in 4 hours, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit, and let's wait for another pullback or another pattern. And afterward, what happened here? As soon as the price reverse, explain to my trader, if we see any pullback opportunity at this level, so we're going to take a short trade here. If not, if the price is going to break after the breakout price retest, even little retest, we'll get the confirmation and we're going to take a long trade here, because the price was at this level and the price was reversing it, so possibility of long. So what happened here, you can see here price broken and nicely retest this level again, and as soon as the momentum developed bullish, bang it, one breakout long trade. This is the counter trade, but this one trend trade, because as you can see here, price broken and retest, and we can see here this is wedge has been developed, and all these trades is announced through live audio commentary. We have this pullback long trade here, and that's what I explained to my trader. Now we can consider this one as a bull flag pattern. This is basically is a market makers, that's a smart money. Price need to refill all these orders, and then you can reverse. Once we have this bullish engulfing candle, that's what we explained to trader, just keep taking a pullback. We have beautiful pullback, another pullback, and as you can see here, we had an amazing beautiful pips. All right guys, so I hope you enjoyed. That's what exactly we do. We analyze market, define the sentiment in 4 hour, and refine the entries and exit and intraday, and banking pips every single day. I hope guys you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, that you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time, or if you are struggling in forex trading, develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis alongside with the live audio commentary support. That makes much easier for developer to develop their trading skill. Actually, they're going to see it how it works in reality. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result in our virtual platform, I can also help you to get funded from prop firms. If you are interested how I coach and train with the live market in real time and how I help my traders to get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my professional team member will help you and show you how you become a successful trader and get funded. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.